acorn coot. Pairs of these birds build their nests in shallow waters, using pebbles carried from the shore in their beaks. The result is an island of pebbles weighing about 1.5 tons, topped with vegetation. The mount keeps the nest safe from water currents. Hammerkop. This African bird's nest is a massive, roofed structure set up in the fork of a tree near water. It takes about 8 weeks and 10,000 twigs to build, and is lined with mud for insulation and waterproofing. This takes a lot of effort, from both the male and the female. What's more, one nest evidently isn't enough. Hammerkop pairs build up to 4 nests a year, working all year round. Ruby-throated hummingbird. These hummingbirds build a tiny, knot-like structure attached to a tree branch with spider silk. The nest structure is crafted from bark, leaf strands and silk fibers, which make it strong and stretchable. It is decorated on the outside with lichen for camouflage and lined on the inside with hair or feathers for insulation. Bald eagle. The eyrie of a bald eagle is a huge pile of twigs and sticks lined with leaves in the middle. A bigger size means the nest, which has a shallow center, is safer. Assembling it on a high platform, like a large tree or cliff, ensures the parents can see danger from far away. Edible nest swiftlet. This nest is made exclusively out of the bird's saliva. It is built in layers, usually over protruding rocks on inclined walls of a dark sea cave. Swiftlets nest in colonies of thousands. Their nests are harvested to make a Chinese delicacy, bird's nest soup. Underwater weaver. Sociable weaver. As their name suggests, these birds nest and brood in groups. They build a gigantic nest within a nest structure attached to trees and poles. A compound nest can house over 100 breeding pairs, each contributing to its construction, maintenance and repair. Living in groups means someone is always on the lookout for danger. Baya Weaver. Male Baya Weavers build an interwoven structure, suspended from a tree overlooking water. The male skillfully weaves grass strips to form a nest, which he shows off to females with a flutter of his wings. If a female approves of the nest, she will mate with him. The male then makes a few finishing touches to their home.